let's look at a poem from KANNADA grade 4. The name of this poem is BIDIGE CHANDRA BANDA NOODU. It is written by Dara Bendre. Before we understand the meaning of the title, let us look at the following definitions. So this poem, it talks about the different phases of the moon. We know that sometimes there is no moon, then there is full moon, there is crescent moon, there is half moon, right? Moon has a lot of phases. So this poem expresses the poet's imagination. Each phase, how does he imagine the moon to look like? Okay, so before that you need to understand the meaning of these words. So Bidige means the second day after no moon. Chavati means the fourth day after no moon. Ashtami means the 8th day after no moon. And Hundime means where the full moon is seen. That is the day on which full moon is visible. Okay, so that is called as Hundime. Full moon is called as Hundime. Okay, and no moon in Kannada it is called as Amavase. Okay, Amavasya. So these are the different phases of the moon. Bidige is the second day after no moon. Chavati is the fourth day. Then Ashtami is the 8th day. And Hunnime is the day on which you will see the full moon. So each phase of the moon looks very different for the poet. In his imagination, he is explaining how the moon is looking. So let's look at the paragraphs one after the other. Bidige Chandra Banda Noodu. So Bidige, as I had already mentioned, it is the second day after no moon. So he has come. Okay, the moon is visible after the second day after the no moon. Even in the picture you can see here. Only a little bit of the moon is visible. Deepa Hachi Dante Jodu. So the moon has come and he has come along with the like a lit lamp. Means there is some light coming out from that moon. So the moon has come. The second day after no moon, the moon is visible and he has come along with a lamp lit. Yara maneyu alli ihudo yaru ballaru. So whose house is there in that moon that they can light a lamp? Nobody knows. Okay. So Yara maneyu means whose house? Alli ihudo. Whose house is there? Yaru ballaru. Who knows? Okay. Who knows whose house is there? But we can see that a lamp is lit from there. Nodalenu obbarenu helalollaru. Nobody knows. Nobody is telling who is there. What is there that is lighting the lamp. Okay. Then the next paragraph is, this is about the fourth day after no moon. Ago Chavati Chandra Nodu. So there, look there. The Chavati Chandra, that is the moon after the fourth day of no moon. He has appeared there. Moodidante Yeradu Kodu. It looks like there are two horns there. Mrugavu Yelli Ihudo Yeno Nanu Kanenu. So maybe there's a deer. Mruga means deer. Maybe there's a deer living there. I don't know. I have not seen. I don't know. Intha Chitra Bareda Nilli Yava Janano. It looks like such a beautiful picture. I don't know who has drawn, who is that smart person or the intelligent person who has drawn such a beautiful picture. See, all these are the imaginations of the poet. Okay, so the first time, that is when the second day of the moon, it looked like a lamp is lit for him. Then the fourth day of after the no moon, the poet is imagining like he can see two horns of a deer there, and he is wondering if a deer is there in the moon, but nobody knows, nobody has seen. It looks like such a pretty picture. Somebody has drawn such a pretty and a beautiful picture. Ashtami Chandranu Banda. Ashtami is the 8th day after no moon. So he has come, that moon has come. And Ardha Bittu Ardha Tinda, half left and half eaten. Undi. Undi is a sweet dish which is round in shape like a laddu. Okay, undi doesn't mean laddu. It's a sweet which is round in shape. Okay, so it looks like somebody is half eaten and half left a sweet dish which is round in shape. Chelli kotta nilli huduga navano. Who is that boy who is left half eaten, who has eaten half that round sweet dish and left half of it. Kane atta itta yetta avana thavanu. I am not able to see from where that boy came. Where does he live? Where is his place? Atta itta, here, there, where? I can't find the place from where he came. ಬಂದನು ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆಯ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳು ನಿಬಿಡ ಸಾಂದ್ರ means now hunnime is a full moon. Okay, bandanu hunnimeya chandra means now the full moon has come. Beladingulu nibida sandra. Okay, so full moon, when the full moon appears, it looks so bright. The day when there is full moon, the night looks very bright because it's a full moon. There is so much of light. Nibida sandra means there's lot of light and brightness is emitting out of that moon. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಲು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಹುದು ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ. It looks like that the clouds are filled with buttermilk. Okay, because it's so bright. Buttermilk is white in color, right? So beladingalu means so much of brightness and it looks white. So the poet is assuming that it feels like the clouds are filled with buttermilk. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮೇಲೆಯೊಂದು ಹೇಳು ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ. So go and tell grandmother that there is a butter ball up high in the sky. The moon looks like a ball of butter. So these are all the ways that the poet has imagined the different phases of the moon.